Hello everybody, this is Stumpy Outdoors. We finally made it back to the lake. We've been off the water for a few weeks. We haven't made any videos, so we thought we'd come out today and make another little video. Come out for two reasons today. We're going to throw some jugs in, see if we can catch some catfish. Might fish for a few brim, a few crappie. But I also want to try it. I put a new depth finder on the boat. I was having trouble with my old. I bought a new Raymarine Dragonfly 5. I opted not to get the navigation on it. I figured in the Kayak I really didn't need it. I may regret it later. We'll find out. Let me spin it around here and I'll show you the screen in the Sonar mode. This thing has a really clear screen. I don't know how good it's going to come out on the film, but way better than my old depth finder. We can come here and make a few changes if we want to. We can split the screen and give us the down scan and the sonar. I tell you, the down scan, it works really well. It sort of enhances what the sonar sees, lets you get a little better picture. We're gonna head on up the lake here just a little bit further. We're gonna get us I got us some hot dogs I've been marinating in vinegar and garlic powder. And we're gonna see if we can catch anything on them. Never tried them before. Thought we'd give it a shot. This is Stumpy. We'll get back with you here. We'll start catching some fish. We'll talk to you then. Well, we rolled up on the brush pile here and caught my first slab of the year. Now that right there is a slab. I'm gonna measure this right here. This is a big crappie. One of the biggest crappie I ever caught. Get a good grip on him before I put him over here to measure him. That crappie's 15 inches long. That is a good crappie. Wow. There's a pretty good crappie right there. Ain't nothing like that other slab, but you could probably call him a slab. Been kind of strange. Every time I've caught one or two fish at a spot and don't catch no more. I'm gonna fish here a little longer, see if that's the case on this log. Oh, there's another, not a bad crappie. size right there. Yeah, that's a good eating size crappie right there. All right, we made it back to the house. Had a pretty good day today. That big one we caught there, I don't know if you can see the numbers on the cooler, but he's about 14 3/4 inches long. That's a pretty nice crappie. Got another one in there about 11 inches long. Rest of them are just good eating size. Overall, we had a pretty good day. Well, this is Stumpy, Stumpy Outdoors. We're going to get to cleaning these fish, maybe fry one up for supper tonight, and we'll see you next time. This is Stumpy Outdoors. Join my channel, like it if you do, thumbs down if you don't. We'll see you next time.